Hello and welcome to Katrina Clutter Free. Today I'm going to be organizing my linen closet, and the products I'm going to be using are these they're meant for refrigerator doors for helping to organize, but I'm going to be using it with this. These sell for $1.19 a piece, so I will be using those. I will be using a purse organizer, which is $2.09. And I will be using 2 cube storage bins, and they run $5.19 for 2 of them. If you are a new customer to Temu, you can get a 30% discount by using the coupon code SUN3222. The links to the products I will be using are down below in the description box. Make sure you check out the full video to see what I do to the linen closet.